In today's video, I'll show you how to increase the font size on your Windows 11 computer. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, click on System, then select Display. Scroll down until you see the Scale option. This setting will increase the size of text, apps, and other items on your screen. Click on the drop-down and choose a higher percentage to zoom in. Now, if you only want to increase the text size, there's another option. Go to Accessibility from the left-hand side. Then click on Text Size. Here, you can use the slider to adjust the font size to your preference. Once you're happy with the size, click Apply. And that's it. Your text will now appear bigger and easier to read on your screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.